When we start looking at the story, we see with we see what Miss Weeble says at first. Even though Jimmy is the ringleader of the gang, he's not the oldest. So when we go to Jimmy's row, we can realize if he's not the oldest, then he can't be 12. So we're going to put an X in 12. Mark transferred schools a few times, she says. So he's on the old side, definitely older than 10. So in Mark's row, we know he's not 9, and we know he's not 10. Then we go to the PE teacher, Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball says, Wynn hates karate. He would much rather use brute strength to intimidate others. So Wynn, then, we know won't be doing the karate chop. Paul hates to use his hands. He likes his hands neat and tidy, but he doesn't mind using his shoulders or feet. So for Paul, he won't be punching and he won't be karate chopping. But he could kick and he could use his shoulders. Then they go to see Ms. Midge, the bus driver. She doesn't know the boys really, but she's heard many things about them. And at this point, we are going to look at the map of the houses, which we can see right down here at the bottom right of the screen. What I've heard, she says, is that the boy who likes to kick people lives directly south of the oldest person. That tells us a couple of things. First, that the boy who likes to kick is not the oldest person. So we're going to put an X in the row kicking at the age 12 because he lives in a different house than the oldest person. The boy who likes to kick lives directly south of the oldest person, so the two houses in the south of the map are house 3 and 4. So the boy who likes to kick has to live in house 3 or 4. We don't know which one, but we just know he won't be living in the two northern houses, which are 1 and 2. So we're going to put X's in house 1 and house 2 for the person who likes to kick. But we do know that since he lives south of the oldest person must live in one of the northern houses. So if we go to the oldest person's row, he has to live in a northern house, so he won't be living in house 3 or house 4